You gonna cover your face?
Anna's taking my picture again.
You see it? Did you hear that?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Growling. Are you a little tiger? So I'm a little tiger.
You gonna talk to me?
I'm just a little tiger. Oh, yeah.
Hi, baby.
Let Liam talk to her this coming Sunday.
She might talk back.
She'll growl at him.
Who's gonna growl at that boy? Huh? When he gets on to you?
Now, he was just a jabbering last Sunday, and I just wouldn't talk to him, would you?
She talked to the baby in the mirror today.
Did you talk to that baby? Did you?
So, yeah.
That's a daddy look. She went.
See, I talked to the baby in the mirror. And it talked back to me. So I did. I talked to a baby.
Did you talk to that baby? Did you? You got your elephant? You got your elephant? I'm gonna get that elephant. I'm gonna get that elephant. Get that elephant. It's gonna get it. It's gonna get it. You can't eat his nose. You can't eat his nose. No, you're not supposed to eat your elephant. You're supposed to play with it. Say rattle, 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 rattle. Say rattle, rattle. Does it rattle? Play with it. Play with your elephant.
Are you going to talk?
Are you a good girl?
I'm trying to say good.
Really? Tell me all about it. Are you done now? Are you trying to hide?
Hi, gorgeous. You gonna growl at Nana? Huh?
Where's Dada? Where's Dada? She's looking. Where is she? She's looking for you, Dada.
Where he goes.
He's over there. Dada over there. You know.
Krista.
Who was that? Her eyes got real big. Who was that talking to? Was that Dada?
Krista.
What you look? She's looking.
Can't find you.
Honey, come over here. Let her see you. She's looking for you. She can't see that far over. There, Dada. Look. She's like, who's
Krista.
moving me?
Hi, doll. Hi, baby.
There, Daddy. She's like, no, you got that.
What you doing, darling? What you doing, darling? You just being a baby? You just being as cute as you can be?
Yeah, I've been cute all day.
Talk to me. You talking to mama, talk to me.
You won't talk.
Hey. Hey.
I feel like there's something in this house.